Okay, so let's take a look at strings in Java. In Java, strings are immutable, meaning that they cannot be changed. Here in our program, we can see that I've started the string demo class, which contains our main method, which is our entry point to our program. Let's start off by comparing strings. So let's go ahead and create a couple of strings here. Let's call this first string, and we'll just call it example _1, and string, second string, and we'll call it example 2. Alright, so what we'll do is also we'll create a helper function for us here that will print out that will help us print out our statements so that we don't have to keep calling system.out.print all the time. Alright, now let's go ahead and do a comparison here. So we're not going to use the logical operators, but we're going to use the method called equals to compare the strings. Because in Java, strings are objects, so we're going to go ahead and demonstrate now. Dot, and we use equals, and then we pass in the second string. Now, if that's true, we're going to go ahead and just print true. The strings are equal. Okay, so let's go ahead and run that. Alright, what do we have here? Okay, so we can see that the statement didn't print because they aren't equal, right? Example _1 is not the same as example _2. So let's switch this equals condition to if not true, right? So let's go ahead and do that and run it. And now we should get a print. There we go. True, the strings are equal, right? But that's not the case here. We use the negation. So let's switch this back and make this a 1. All right, there we go. Now that makes sense. Okay, next we'll do a demonstration with the equalsIgnoreCase method. Basically ignores the case of the individual characters in a string. So let's go ahead and change this a little bit. All right, so we'll have example, and we'll also do example here, but we'll change that to lowercase. Okay, so if this is true, it should print out. It's not true, so it didn't print. Now, right here, equals, instead of equals, we're going to do equals, but we're going to ignore the cases. So the uppercase, lowercase e, and example string. So we'll go ahead and add that there. All right, let's run. All right, now it's true because it's ignoring the case. Okay, so that's equalsIgnoreCase. Okay, next let's work on changing the case of the characters within a string. So let's go ahead and get rid of this here, and then let's have a string. We'll say sentence. Okay, and today is a great day. Okay, now we'll go ahead and print. Alright, we'll print in our sentence. But now what we want to do is we want to show the toUpperCase method. All right, see what prints out. All right, you see here that it printed out all the cases uppercase. The next method is the toLowerCase. So we'll change that out here to lowercase, run our program, and now we can see they're all lowercase. Okay, next let's show a way of finding a string within another string. So here, let's go ahead and we'll still use sentence, and then we're going to use the contains. All right, we're going to ask to see if it contains today, if the sentence contains today, and see if that prints out true. All right, and we'll also do some string concatenation here for our boolean. All right, let's go ahead and run. All right, so it does print out true, right? So today is contained in the today is a great day sentence. Let's show a quick demonstration of indexOf, which shows the first occurrence of a character that occurs in string. Let's find D, and let's get the index for that. Again, we'll do some string concatenation there. Let's go ahead and run that. All right, you can see here that's index 2. So 0, 1, 2 is right here.